Hello everyone, today we will be looking at Crexi tutorial for beginners, how to buy and sell commercial real estate. Navigating the world of commercial real estate can be complex, especially for beginners. That is where Crexi, short for Commercial Real Estate Exchange Incorporation, comes in. Crexi is a powerful online platform designed to simplify the process of buying, selling, and leasing commercial properties. Whether you are an investor looking for your first deal, a property owner ready to list, or a broker aiming to expand your reach, Crexi offers the tools and exposure needed to succeed in today's fast-paced real estate market. With an intuitive interface, robust property listings, built-in marketing tools, and data-driven insights, Crexi is revolutionizing how commercial deals get done. This beginner-friendly tutorial will walk you through everything you need to know, step by step, about how to effectively use Crexi in 2025. From creating an account and searching listings to analyzing financials and closing deals, you will gain the confidence to navigate the platform like a pro. What is Crexi? Crexi is a commercial real estate platform that connects buyers, sellers, brokers, and tenants. It hosts over 500,000 commercial listings and offers tools for marketing, lead generation, due diligence, and analytics, all in one place. Key features: property listing and management tools, advanced search filters, lead tracking and CRM, financial modeling, auction listings, market intelligence. Crexi simplifies the CRE process by offering a modern, easy to use alternative to legacy platforms like LoopNet or CoStar. Getting started, create your account. Step 1. Sign up. Go to www.crexi.com. Click Sign Up in the top right corner. Choose Buyer, Seller, or Broker account. Fill in your name, email, and password. Confirm your email to activate the account. Step 2. Complete your profile. Upload a professional photo for trust and networking. Add your company name, license info if applicable, and contact details. Set your role: investor, broker, etc. Indicate your market preferences and property types. A complete profile boosts your visibility and trustworthiness, especially when listing or contacting others. How to buy commercial real estate on Crexi. Buying through Crexi is straightforward. Here's how to search for and evaluate commercial property deals. Step 1. Navigate to the marketplace. From the Crexi homepage, select Marketplace for sale. You will see a list of properties with thumbnails, pricing, location, and key specs. Step 2. Use advanced filters. Crexi allows you to narrow results with multiple filters: location, city, state, zip code, or draw on the map. Property type: retail, industry, multifamily, land, etc. Price range: cap rate, lot size, building size. Auction versus traditional sale. Use the map view for a visual layout of listings by geography. Step 3. Analyze the listing. Click on the listing to open the property detail page. Here you will find images and videos, investment highlights, offering memorandum or OM, property brochure, financials, NOI, expenses, rent roll, agent contact info. Some listings are confidential or off-market, which may require an NDA before you access full details. Step 4. Request more info or contact broker. Use the Request Info or Email Broker button to initiate contact as for updated financials, present appraisals or inspections, lease agreements for tenant-occupied buildings, environmental or zoning reports. Using Crexi Intelligence Pro feature. With the Crexi Pro subscription, you gain access to Crexi Intelligence, a data dashboard offering market trends, comps and historical sales data, rent and occupancy analytics, broker performance. This is a powerful tool for investors doing deep dive market research before making a move. How to make an offer on Crexi. Some properties allow you to submit an offer directly through the platform. Steps: click Submit LOI or Submit Offer. Fill in offer price, due diligence period, escrow deposit, closing timeline. Attach proof of funds or pre-approval if applicable. Send and wait for a response from the listing broker or seller. Note: Crexi does not facilitate legal contracts. It is best to involve your attorney or broker once negotiations begin. How to sell commercial real estate on Crexi. Listing your property on Crexi helps you reach a national audience of investors and brokers. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Choose Add Listing. From your dashboard, click Add a Listing and select For Sale or Auction. Step 2. Enter property information. Fill in the key details: property name, address, property type and subtype, price, optional, list as call for price, cap rate and NOI if income producing, lot or building size, year built. Step 3. Upload media, professional photos, aerial shots, 3D tours, optional, videos, site plans. Listings with high quality visuals attract 4 to 5 times more engagement. Step 4. Attach documents. Upload offering memorandum or OM, rent roll, floor plans, environmental reports, zoning info. Step 5. Publish and promote. Choose whether to publish immediately or save as draft. Use Crexi Pro tools for premium exposure, email campaigns, priority placement, and broker CRM. Once your listing is live, Crexi will start collecting lead inquiries through your dashboard. Crexi Auction Platform. Crexi also hosts commercial property auctions for sellers who want a faster, more competitive process. Benefits: bidding creates urgency. Defined sale timeline, usually 30 days. Buyer pre-qualification, transparent bidding process. How to participate? As a buyer, visit Auction tab and register to bid. As a seller, choose Auction as your listing type, and Crexi will assign you an auction manager. Managing leads and messages. Crexi comes with a built-in CRM to help you manage and track leads. Accessing your inbox. Click the Inbox tab on the top menu to respond to inquiries. View offer history. Schedule property tours. All communication is stored and timestamped for easy follow-up. Using Crexi Pro. Optional. Upgrading to Crexi Pro unlocks advanced features. For buyers, access to off-market and exclusive listings, deeper market comms, investment analysis tools, custom alerts. For sellers or brokers, enhanced exposure, lead analytics, email marketing campaigns, access to Crexi's buyer network, dedicated account rep. Plans start at around $129 per month but vary by tier and region. Tips for Crexi beginners. 1. Use alerts. Set custom alerts for your preferred property type and area to get notified when new listings go live. 2. Study comps. Even without Pro, you can often request comps from listing brokers or reference prior sales listed on Crexi. 3. Follow brokers. Stay in touch with active agents in your market. Crexi makes it easy to track their listings. 4. Maximize your listing. Use rich media, financial details, and strategic pricing to increase listing views. 5. Don't skip due diligence. Always verify financials, zoning, and legal encumbrances before making a serious offer. In conclusion, Crexi has quickly become an essential tool for anyone involved in commercial real estate, offering a seamless experience for buying, selling, and leasing properties. For beginners, the platform's user-friendly design, powerful search tools, and built-in lead management make it easy to get started and stay organized. Whether you are a first-time investor, analyzing deals, or a property owner looking to maximize exposure, Crexi gives you the digital edge needed in today's competitive market. And that is all there is on Crexi tutorial for beginners. how to buy and sell commercial real estate. Thank you so much for watching, and please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. We hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.